Hello, pioneers. Welcome back to the channel. One of the most common questions in the Pi Network community is what happens to accounts that never complete KYC verification. Today, we'll discuss why KYC matters, what happens to unverified balances, and what pioneers should know moving forward. What is KYC? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It is a verification process used to confirm that a real human is behind an account. Pi Network introduced KYC to reduce fake accounts, bots, and duplicate accounts. The goal is to make sure the network is built by real pioneers. Without verification, it becomes difficult to distinguish genuine users from fake ones. Why is KYC important? KYC plays a major role in the Pi ecosystem. The network wants migrated Pi to belong to verified individuals. This helps create a more secure and trustworthy environment. It also prevents people from creating multiple accounts to gain unfair advantages. Because of this, verification has become one of the most important steps for every pioneer. What happens if an account never completes KYC? This is where many pioneers become concerned. If an account never completes KYC, the balance may not be eligible for migration to the mainnet. In simple terms, mining Pi alone is not enough. Verification is also required. The network has repeatedly emphasized the importance of completing KYC when eligible. If someone ignores the process indefinitely, they may face difficulties accessing the benefits of the mainnet ecosystem. This is why pioneers should pay attention to announcements and complete verification when they become eligible. Common myths. Let's clear up a few myths. Myth number 1. I can skip KYC forever and still receive all my Pi. There is no guarantee of that. Myth number 2. Someone else can complete KYC for me. Never allow another person to verify on your behalf. Myth number 3. I don't need to pay attention to Pi announcements. Official updates are important because they contain information about deadlines and requirements. Final thoughts. KYC is one of the most important steps in the Pi network journey. Mining Pi is only part of the process. Verification helps ensure that migrated Pi belongs to real users and supports the long-term goals of the network. If you have not completed KYC and become eligible, it is worth paying attention to official instructions and updates. What do you think about Pi Network's KYC system? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pi Network content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.